All right, sorry. Well, sorry tonight. Well, I'm in the class, and I'm so sorry. I have to come in for reloaded. Last week I told you that he's not a type. He's a man of his word, and he's a. All right, so we're going to be having Pongo very soon now. As soon as he joined, we're going to have him. And tonight we're talking about why documentation, why documentary, why do we do documentation, why do we have to keep record. Last week we talked so much about it, and today we're going to be talking again about it as the Lord enables. So as soon as he comes in, we go on straight to what we have. Tonight we are running off our training school tomorrow. It has really been awesome. If you see me for morning, I've been driving a lot of vehicles simultaneously. I just finished my personal class with a directing class and editing class, and we're going to start. Everybody's busy here and there to make sure they're doing something powerful. So once our brother joins, we're going to be there live. And by the grace of God, I'll be finishing the smartphone thing tomorrow night by the grace of God. Well, brilliant. Pongo is here, but I don't know whether the okay. Wow. You know what I will do? I think it's not giving me the option of people joining live. So I will start again, please. I will start again so you rejoin, sir. Thank you so much. Let me start again.